All right, so here what we're supposed to do is rewrite the rational expression. So basically this piece here, but this is what we want for our common denominator. Okay, so that's going to be the denominator we want. So how do we get from 15 to 45? 15 times what is going to give us 45? Well, 15 times 3 will give us 45. And here we have x, but we have to multiply by something to get to x cubed. Well, we have to multiply by x squared. So what we really have to do is we have to do everything in this column. So we have to multiply by a 3x squared to get from here to here. So 1 over 15x times, well, what we do in the numerator, our denominator, we also have to do in the numerator. So we have to multiply by 3x squared over 3x squared. So that gives us a 3x squared over, again, 15 times 3 is 45. X times x squared is x cubed. And so then that's going to be our new fraction with the common denominator of 45x cubed. Now, could we reduce it? Yeah, but we get right back to where we started again. So that's not what we want to do. We want to rewrite it as this. So it's kind of like if this was one fraction, we needed another fraction to get the same kind of denominator. So we're trying to work with variables now, not just like we did before here with the numbers. So we're also going to work with variables. So that's what we're practicing with here. Now, let's take this one step further, and we start with an x plus 7, and now we want to get to x squared plus 7x. Okay, well, first things first, I'm going to say, let's see if we can factor this. Well, it looks like we have a common factor of x in it, and then we have x plus 7. Okay, so that's really what this is. Now, if we start with x plus 7 and we have to get to x times x plus 7, we just have to multiply by x over x, basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 over x plus 7 times x over x, and so that just gives us x over x times x plus 7. And so that would be our new fraction or our new rational expression. Okay. Now again, could we cancel? Yeah, x cancels x and we're back to 1 over x plus 7. But we wanted this as our denominator, which is the same thing as this. And I'm just leaving it in factored form so I knew what it was I had to multiply by because I had to multiply by that x. So x over x gives me this new rational expression. All right, let's stop there and we'll come back for some more.